A new project aimed at strengthening St. Lucia's climate change resilience efforts is officially on the way. Known as Salute, St. Lucia Training for Climate Change Resilience using citizen science data and technologies. The initiative brings together international and local partners in a collaborative effort to improve climate monitoring, data use and capacity building. Salute is a partnership involving two European institutions, KU Leuven University and GISIC Association of Italy, alongside three local entities, the National Integrated Planning and Program Unit NIP, the Department of Physical Planning, and the Sir Arthur Lewis Community College. Leading the project is Danny van der Broeke of KU Leuven University, who acknowledged the increased use of sensor data in the context of climate change monitoring and understanding.
So in this case, we will focus on the procurement and installation of weather stations, but very cheap ones, not the very full-fledged stations, because they are very expensive. We will buy 20 of them and install them in and around St. Lucia, mostly in schools.
While the Meteorological Office already operates some sensors, the use of sensor data within the context of spatial and geospatial technologies remains relatively new for St. Lucia. The data collected through this initiative will not only support climate monitoring, but it will also serve as a practical, hands-on learning tool for students and professionals alike.
We want to train the people here, first people from NIP, from DPDER, from the college, and then they in turn will go to the schools where the sensors will be installed and have kind of applied projects together with the young people so that they understand what is a weather station, what are these sensors, what can you learn from it in the context of climate change.
Howard Wells, Director of the National Integrated Planning and Program Unit NIP, views the project as a critical enhancement to NIP's ongoing work in sustainable development and the use of spatial data.
Data is being collected daily within and throughout the government of St. Lucia on the various or by various sectors. However, with this new mandate, all of this data would finally be collected at a single portal within a single location, and we can finally have this data being cross-referenced or being used holistically.
A major focus of the Salute project is citizen science, which encourages schools and communities to actively participate in climate data collection. Wells believes that sparking curiosity among young people will create a powerful multiplier effect, leading to positive and long-lasting change over time.
We operate in an environment that is constantly under threat by climate change. But climate change on its own, if you can't track it, if you can't measure it, then really and truly it's not, you can't sell it to people that it's important.
Adrian Duverne, Dean of Engineering at the Sir Arthur Lewis Community College, noted that the project will help generate critical data sets that can be used to support future long-term planning.
We are first going to play the role of students, as we are going to be learners, as we learn how to install, maintain, collect data and analyze data for decision making. And then we now going to impart this knowledge and skills that we have gained from the project to the St. Lucian public.
This 3-year project is grant funded to the tune of €400,000 with no direct cost to the government of St. Lucia. For the National Competitiveness and Productivity Council, Glenn Simon reporting.